Now you see us. Now you don't. Now you see us. Now you don't. Are you surprised by how impactful outdoor lighting can be on your home? Don't be. We're going to show you how easy it can be to go from this to this. Let's watch.
The impact that outdoor lighting can have on a home is phenomenal. It gives you great curb appeal. It gives pop and appearance at night. It can expand your outdoor living spaces. It invites a welcome feeling.
I think the inspiration just came from seeing other houses that have the exterior lighting, and then this property being on the lake, and just knowing that that extra lighting is just going to make the house just pop.
Even with historical homes, new homes, we can tailor a design that fits your property.
As you can see by these photos, no project is too big or too small.
Our lighting projects vary from community entrances to condo complexes. We also do grand estates, custom homes, restaurants, and even country clubs.
Lighting also provides safety, especially on stairs, and even your backyard dock.
The most important reason we chose to have outdoor lighting was for security and safety purposes. And the second reason was because we really enjoy entertaining at night and having friends and extra kids over to the house to play. So we're able to enjoy the house not only during the day, but late into the evening as well. Having small children, we wanted to make sure everybody could move around the property at night and feel like they were safe.
Well, we can actually put lighting into your hardscape areas, recessed into pavers, integrated into your pool screen enclosures, and into your outdoor kitchen areas.
We wanted the guests to be able to get from the driveway to the front of the house safely. Back by the pool, there's a ledge that just steps off into the grass. We wanted to be able to mark that and make sure that nobody rolled an ankle stepping off into the grass. There's a guest house in the back that has a deck that goes upstairs. We wanted to make sure that if they have guests going up to the house at night, we wanted them to be able to get safely up the stairs and back down the stairs.
We have additional homes on the property that we wanted to be able to go back and forth from and just feel safe and secure moving around at night.
And outdoor lighting like this is more affordable than you think.
With proper planning, we can work within any budget. We can always start at the front of your property and work our way to the back in time. It allows for us to work within any budget.
Well, I think the most important for us was to wrap it up during the remodel process, which made it just easier to have done from the beginning. So again, we could just really enjoy the house from day one.
One thing about the project that we really liked is once they started, they were in and out within 2 days, and we never knew that they were even here. And that was the amazing part about using them as our designers.
With a phenomenal property like this, you drive by and you see it during the day and it looks fantastic. But to be able to drive by and see it at night is just the icing on the cake. It looks so great.
I feel like it has really enhanced our property. It really adds that unique character, that final touch to make the house very unique and special.
For more information about lighting up your life, visit signaturele.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.